Welcome to JH. I recently decided to test out that fast-acting coating spray that has been appearing everywhere in online advertisements lately. You probably recognize the one. It claims to provide your vehicle with an instant, professional-grade ceramic shine. The ads depict people simply spraying the liquid to achieve a stunning mirror-like gloss immediately. Unfortunately, that is not how this product actually performs. It is certainly not a legitimate ceramic coating. It contains no silicon dioxide, also known as SiO2, which is the critical component that gives authentic coatings their long-lasting durability and protective qualities. In reality, this product is more comparable to a budget-friendly wax or a basic polymer spray. It merely sits on the exterior for a short period. While you will see a temporary shine and perhaps some slight water beading, the results disappear rapidly, usually within a few days or after just a couple of washes. Many people online are sharing this same experience. User reviews frequently mention issues like streaking, oily residue, and the gloss vanishing quickly, especially on darker paint jobs. With Amazon ratings hovering around 3 stars, some independent tests have even revealed that the mixture is mostly water and simple foaming agents rather than anything specialized. What is particularly interesting is how this is marketed at a high price on flashy websites. However, if you browse platforms like Alibaba or AliExpress, you can find the exact same bottles for less than $1. So, while you will likely receive the item in the mail, it is not a high-end solution. It is simply a drop-shipped product using high-pressure tactics like fake stock counts and countdown timers. Ultimately, it is just an overhyped spray that offers a very temporary glow. If you are looking for genuine paint protection, you are much better off choosing a well-known detailing brand or having a proper ceramic coating applied by a professional.